Hi guys, CMET is a very good backup plan. If you're given CAT, not scored with the CAT exam, SNAP exam, and before the CET exam as a backup, this exam can make or break things because most of the college in Maharashtra are accepting CMET score. For the MS program, yes, Master's MBA program and PGDM program as well. So in this video, we'll look at which all colleges are there and why it's important to give CMET even if you're going for the CET exam. Okay, let's start with that. हाय गाइस, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे आई गेट अ कॉल, सर ये आत्मा कौन सा एग्जाम है? आत्मा, अरे भाई ये आत्मा नहीं है, ये एटमा का एग्जाम है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर द सीईटी एग्जाम, मास्टर सीईटी एग्जाम, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम पीपल गिविंग एटमा आर फ्रॉम द महाराष्ट्र ओनली. या फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस आई डू इन एवरी वर्कशॉप आई टेक, नासिक, नागपुर, पुणे, wherever I go, I ask everyone, how many of you are giving CET? Everybody. So if there are 100 people in the class, 100 of them are giving CET. How many of them are giving CMAT? 40 to 50 students, half. How many of them are giving ATMA MET? 2, 3 people. This is why ATMA become important. क्योंकि जब भागने वाले 3 होंगे तो तुम थर्ड तो आओगे. You will be a third if there are only 3 players in the race. Yeah. Now why ATMA is important? Jamal Bajaj, Sydenham, Willinker, every college is accepting ATMA and MAT score. Yes, for the MS program. Because DT has said that हमारा main my बाप is DT. Whatever DT says we have to follow. So as per morning 6 a.m. yes, today morning 6 a.m. I'm making this video. Yeah, the status is accept होता है. कल को पैटर्न चेंज हो जाए, कुछ चेंज हो जाए, कुछ नहीं पता DT का. DT बॉडी चेंज हो जाए, anything can happen. Fine. So as of now we have to assume कि yes they accept because they have been accepting for the last 10 years. Fine. Now I'm gonna make the next part ki which exam they accept. They accept the toppers of everyone. Now because CET competition is too high, you becoming a top of the exam chances are slightly less. Why? Because the competition is high. On the other hand, chances are more when it comes to ATMA MET. Why? Because competition is less. Male players, male students are not giving the exam. Okay, तो आपका chances ज़्यादा है to score well. So that's why I'm recommending you to give ATMA or MET. Now comes the next part for the PGDM program. MS में तो है ही है 18 seats per college. For the PGDM program, Willinker number of seats for ATMA MET for MS MBA program is 18. Number of seats through ATMA in PGDM is around 400. Same goes for Dalmia, SIS, but some of them accept either MAT score or ATMA score. That you have to check on their site which college they accept. So this का do or die है. Those who want to have this year as a do or die attempt, please give ATMA or MAT or ATMA and MAT. Kaushik sir हमारे who used to work with us before he goes to JB, he converted Jamal Bajaj because of his MAT score. तो कौन सा स्कोर किधर काम आ जाए पता नहीं. जिसके लिए do or die है प्लीज गिव, क्योंकि अगर CET उस दिन कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया on the exam day, you got a wrong slot, you got a wrong paper मतलब your paper was very tough, you couldn't solve some question, you were not well, anything can happen. So ATMA MET CMAT can act as a very good backup plan. So go to the link cetking.com/CMAT, cetking.com/ATMA, cetking.com/MAT. I given all the colleges which are accepting CMAT, ATMA and MAT scores. Okay, so that you can check out whether which of the colleges are there. From the cutoff point of view, you have to score 99.99. You have to be the topper of the exam if you want Jamal Bajaj. Fine. Competition tough है, बिल्कुल tough है यार. अगर आप 1 लाख लोगों में से 120 में आने को तैयार हो तो यहाँ भी आप लेके आ सकते हो. फिर ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. ठीक है, तो बेस्ट केस विल गेट इनटू LMS, वर्स्ट केस विल गेट इनटू PGDM program. Both the courses are accepting. Again, depend on college by college. Now, I have made the video earlier कि IAS छोड़ गया, डालमिया छोड़ गया, छोड़ा नहीं है. They just shifted the trades. So for their PGDM program, they are accepting CET score as well. But अगर हम ATMA MET देते हैं बैकअप के लिए, it can be good option. Or you can look at ATMA MET as a good backup plan for CET. All the best.